purple roller Carassias niveus is a species of bird belonging to the roller family, Coracidae. Here are some key characteristics of the purple roller. It is a medium-sized bird, measuring around 28 to 30 centimeters 11 to 12 inches in length. The diet of the purple roller primarily consists of insects, including grasshoppers, beetles, and caterpillars. The purple roller is typically found in savannas, open woodlands. Fairirons, belonging to the Maluridae family, are small passerini birds native to Australia and nearby regions, renowned for their vibrant plumage and intricate social behaviors. These birds exhibit sexual dimorphism, with males often displaying brilliant blue and black hues, while females and juveniles don more subdued browns. Fairirons have a primarily insectivorous diet, feeding on a wide variety of insects and other invertebrates found in their habitat. They forage primarily by gleaning insects from foliage, probing crevices. The black and red broadbill Cymborinchus macarinchos is a strikingly colorful bird found in the dense forests of Southeast Asia, characterized by its predominantly black plumage, with vibrant red patches on the wings and bill. This medium-sized broadbill possesses a distinctive appearance. Its broad, flattened bill is adapted for catching insects, which form the bulk of its diet, although it may also consume small fruits. Typically residing in the upper canopy, the black and red broadbill moves with agility through the foliage in search of prey. Known for its melodious calls and secretive behavior, this bird adds a splash of color and charm to the tropical forests it inhabits. The black and red broadbill typically lays only one clutch of eggs per breeding season. The golden-breasted starling Lampertornis regius is a striking bird species native to East Africa, particularly found in countries like Kenya, Tanzania, and Ethiopia. Renowned for its brilliant and iridescent plumage, this starling species exhibits a vibrant array of colors, including metallic blue, green, purple, and of course, golden yellow on its breast. Its long tail feathers add to its stunning appearance. These social birds are often seen in small to medium-sized flocks, foraging primarily on the ground or in low vegetation for insects, fruits, and seeds. Their melodious calls and acrobatic flight make them a delight to observe in their natural habitat, where they inhabit savanna. The Indian roller Carassias angolensis is a charismatic bird species found across the Indian subcontinent and parts of Southeast Asia. Known for its striking plumage, it features shades of blue on its wings and tail, a vibrant turquoise crown, and a chestnut-colored body. Its name stems from its impressive aerial acrobatics during courtship displays, where it performs twisting flights and somersaults. Indian rollers primarily inhabit open grasslands, agricultural areas, and lightly wooded habitats. They are opportunistic feeders, preying on insects, small reptiles, and occasionally small mammals, which they catch by swooping down from perches or during brief aerial pursuits. These birds are also famous for their loud and distinctive calls, often heard echoing across their territories. Indian rollers are known to be monogamous breeders, typically nesting in tree hollows or cavities, where the female lays a clutch of eggs and both parents share incubation and chick-rearing duties. Their striking appearance, aerial displays, and vocalizations make them popular subjects for birdwatchers and photographers throughout their range. The Indian roller typically breeds once a year, laying a single clutch of eggs during the breeding season. The crimson-collared tanager Ramphicellus sanguinolentis is a striking bird species found in parts of Central America, particularly in Mexico and Guatemala. Renowned for its vibrant plumage, the male crimson-collared tanager displays a deep crimson-red body with contrasting black wings, tail, and head. Its most distinctive feature is the bright crimson color encircling its neck, from which it derives its name. In contrast, the female is more subdued, sporting a grayish olive plumage with a hint of red on the throat and breast. These tanagers inhabit forest edges, clearings, and shrubby areas, where they forage primarily on fruits, seeds, and insects. They are often seen in pairs or small groups, and their melodious songs and calls are a common sound in their habitat. The crimson-collared tanager is known for its bold and confident demeanor, frequently perching prominently to display its vivid colors. While they primarily breed during the rainy season, they may raise multiple broods in a year if conditions are favorable, typically laying 2 to 3 eggs per clutch. Overall, their stunning appearance and lively behavior make them a prize sighting for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts in their range. The exact lifespan of the crimson-collared tanager Ramphicella sanguinalentis in the wild is not extensively studied, but for most small passerini birds, it typically ranges from 2 to 5 years. However, some individuals may live longer, especially if they survive the perils of predation, habitat loss, and other environmental factors in captivity. The red-legged honeycreeper Cyanurp cyaneus is a stunning bird species found in Central and South America, particularly in tropical forests and forest edges, renowned for its vibrant plumage. The male red-legged honeycreeper is adorned with iridescent blue feathers on its head, back, and wings, with bright turquoise on its throat and chest, while its legs are a striking shade of red. Females, on the other hand, are mostly greenish with some blue highlights. Both sexes share a slender, curved bill adapted for feeding on nectar, fruits, and insects. Red-legged honeycreepers often move in small groups or pairs, foraging actively in the forest canopy. They are known for their acrobatic flight and agility as they glean insects or sip nectar from flowers. Additionally, they play a role in pollination and seed dispersal within their ecosystem. Breeding typically occurs during the wet season, with females constructing cup-shaped nests in trees where they lay small clutches of eggs. These birds are highly prized for their beauty and are popular among birdwatchers and ecotourists in their range. The lifespan of red-legged honeycreeper Cyanurp cyaneus in the wild is not extensively studied, but for most small passerini birds, it typically ranges from 2 to 6 years. Eastern bluebirds are small thrushes found in open woodlands, meadows, and orchards of eastern North America. Males sport vibrant blue plumage, while females are subtler with grayish-blue backs. They feed on insects and berries, nesting in cavities, often using human-made boxes. Known for their melodious songs, they symbolize happiness and prosperity. The oriental dwarf kingfisher, revered for its breathtaking beauty, is a jewel of Southeast Asian forests. Its diminutive size belies its dazzling appearance, adorned with a palette of vivid blues, oranges, and whites that captivate any observer. This avian gem is a masterful hunter, adept at plunging into streams with remarkable speed and precision to snatch fish and aquatic insects from the water. Despite its small stature, the oriental dwarf kingfisher is an iconic symbol of the region's lush tropical habitats. Found in dense foliage near waterways, these elusive birds emit soft, high-pitched calls that add to the enchantment of their presence. Their preferred habitats include the verdant canopies of tropical forests, where they blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making sightings a cherished rarity. With its striking colors and agile hunting skills, the blue-eared kingfisher, native to parts of Southeast Asia, is a striking bird characterized by its vibrant plumage and distinctive blue ear patches. With a compact body and a long, sturdy bill, it is well adapted for diving into shallow water bodies to catch fish and other aquatic prey. Its iridescent blue and green feathers, coupled with a contrasting chestnut belly, make it a visually captivating species. Typically found near forested streams or mangrove habitats, the blue-eared kingfisher's melodious calls echo through the lush vegetation, adding to the allure of its presence in these biodiverse ecosystems. The lifespan of the blue-eared kingfisher in the wild is not extensively documented, but it is estimated to be around 6 to 8 years. However, in captivity, they may potentially live longer, with some individuals reaching up to 10 years or more with proper care and conditions. Various factors such as predation, habitat quality, disease, and human activities can influence their longevity in the wild. Blue-eared kingfishers typically lay a single clutch of eggs per breeding season. The clutch size usually ranges from 3 to 5 eggs, although variations may occur depending on factors such as habitat quality and food availability. These kingfishers are known to be monogamous and may raise only one brood per breeding season, with both parents sharing incubation duties and caring for the chicks until they fledge. Blue-eared kingfishers are largely sedentary birds, meaning they typically do not undertake long-distance migrations. They are primarily found in parts of Southeast Asia, including countries like Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, Malaysia, and Indonesia. However, within their range, they may exhibit some local movements or seasonal dispersals in search of suitable breeding or foraging habitats. The Siamese fireback, a striking member of the pheasant family endemic to Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam, showcases an exquisite blend of iridescent plumage, Males feature a stunning display of metallic blues, greens, and purples on their head, neck, and chest, contrasting with a bold red eye patch and a fiery orange back adorned with intricate black markings resembling flames. Females exhibit more subdued coloring, with a mottled brown plumage for camouflage. These birds inhabit dense tropical forests and feed primarily on seeds, fruits, and small invertebrates found amidst the forest floor. Their resonant calls echo through the forest canopy during mating season, symbolizing their regal presence in their natural habitat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.